All right, that is my cue. Hello, everyone. In this virtual world, we come together. Welcome to this Groundswell annual showcase. And yes, that is me. And yes, I am coming to you from Grand Valley's WGVU studios. So honored to be here. And next year, we'll all be together again, up close and personal. But this is going to be a fun evening. And we thank you, of course, for being here. Excited to see the work, of course, of the West Michigan students who protect and will protect our local environment. Here we are. Groundswell is one of 7 hubs of the Great Lakes Stewardship Initiative, whose mission is to engage students, of course, in community-based projects to enhance learning and foster the next generation of environmental students. Divine Providence Academy, we are ready for your name, grade, subject, and project.
Hi, I'm Tara Lafferty, and I teach pre-K through 8th grade science. You can go ahead and go on to the next slide. We have 3 areas that we were focusing on. This one is we call it the butterfly garden, but there's nothing attracting butterflies right now. So we started to do studies of the current plants that we have out there, and then what plants that we can bring in. If you want to move on to the next slide. The other part that we have is a creek that's out behind our farmland that's back there. And at first we realized it was pretty thick with the woods and the plants that were out there. And then we came out one day and everything was bulldozed down. So we're new drain pipes were put in, but it's a pretty dry creek bed right now. And we also discovered some invasive plants. So we're currently working on the area extensively to make sure that we can get rid of the invasives, and then also transplanting some native plants that are in the area. And go to the next slide. We're also taking water samples from the area because our main goal was to look for macroinvertebrates to make sure that we have a good diversity of animals that are out there. So we did that in a variety of ways, and we were able to find some microscopic ones too. If you want to move on. And here we just now started planting some native plants. We do have some yarrow that are going in there for the children. Yep. And then for our pre-K, because the woods has extensive poison ivy, we're going out into the field as well and then studying the microinvertebrates that are in the grassy field for our little pre-K students as well. There you go. Thank you.